Hello guys! Thank you for coming back to my informative travel channel. What you are seeing right now is the hot spring that we visited before our Tumalog Falls adventure. So to know more about this hot spring in Cebu, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as I will upload this trip really soon. But for now, I'm so excited to show you our Tumalog Falls adventure. We stayed at a bed and showered in Malabuyok where we had a great view of this sunset.
It's the second day here in Malabuyok. Since the resort offered a light breakfast every morning that comes with your accommodation here. So let's check kung ano yung light breakfast nila. Kung silang light breakfast. Okay, here. They have the coffee, bread, bud or I forgot the name on this sa Tagalog. And of course the beautiful view of the sea. So that's their light breakfast. This one I like it. So let's check the sea first. It's low tide. Look, low tide, but still the water is clear.
If you wish to know and see more about the place where we stayed for a night, refer to my Malabuyok trip or click on the card on the upper right of your screen.
May buntag na suman pala. Suman. That's the Tagalog name for wood. Which is this. And then the bread. And unlimited coffee. Nescafe Classic. So, since it's the second day and it's still the weekday here in Cebu, we're planning to go to another waterfall because yesterday no one's allowed to go to 𝙿𝙤𝙤𝙚 waterfall. To be honest, I have been there years ago, and it's one of the most beautiful waterfall that I went to because it has these big boulders of rocks. And unfortunately, because of the typhoon and the earthquake, it was ruined and no one's allowed to go in there for safety purposes. So later on we'll explore another waterfall somewhere still here in the southern part of Cebu. Okay, stay tuned. Lapitan na tulog pa.
While waiting for my friend to wake up, I just enjoyed the blue sea and the fresh breeze. After checkout, we hop on a bus from Malabuyok to the bus terminal in Bato. The fare costs 50 pesos.
So guys, since we're on the opposite side, gikan mi sa Malabuyok, we're from the Malabuyok or town of Malabuyok, for us to go to Tumalog Falls because that's the next itinerary from the hot spring. So we decided to ride another bus from Malabuyok going to Bato, and from Bato we'll hop on another bus that will drive us or bring us to the town of Oslob because the waterfall that we'll visit is Tumalog Falls. So please do stay tuned so that you will not miss any tips, the expenses, as well as updates when it comes to visiting Tumalog Falls in Oslob.
The bus ride from Malabuyok to Bato took about 40 minutes.
So guys, we're already here in Bato bus terminal upstairs. So before going to Oslob, we'll just have to grab lunch because we're already starving. And the good thing is, outside the terminal has like a strip or choices of eatery like this. Yeah, we'll just have to look for a place where we can grab lunch. Okay, gutom. Yeah. Karinderya. Timoy, ditong bahay. Carl bought bonggos. It's still hot. Kaun. Kaun. Very easy. Kind of egg. Let me show it to you. Area feels wow. So guys, since the mongo soup is still hot, yeah, lami. Wala ni palit ko. I bought this one serving along with my lunch with lumpia and rice. Yaon.
But first, I need to answer the call of nature, and good thing that the terminal has a decent restroom which costs 5 pesos for you to take a leak. The non-AC bus fare from Bato bus terminal going to Oslob costs 40 pesos. And after 45 minutes of bus ride, we finally hop off at the Tumalog Falls Road, or sometimes they call it Luca. From here, we hired these two habal-habal drivers that drove us to the hop-off point or registration area for Tumalog Falls. And the fast ride took us around 15 minutes to arrive at the registration area. And the motorcycle ride cost us 60 pesos. This is the area where you can also park your vehicle. And from here, you can either take a 15-minute walk downhill going to the waterfalls, or you can also ride a motorcycle which will take you just 2 minutes. And the fare is 50 pesos round trip. Just a tip, you can bring your snacks here, and there is also a decent changing area near the entrance.
Guys, we finally arrived here at Tumalog Falls here in Oslob. And look at this surreal curtain waterfall behind me. Shucks, the first time I came here was wala. There were no like waterfall that welcomed me, but now as I got here on my second time, thank you very much, Oslob. This is a beauty.
And if you wish to use your drone, it will cost 1,500 registration fee, but you can use this for 2 days in any parts of Oslob. You do not have to rent a floating vest as the pond of water is just about 3.5 feet deep. That trip was a restart for a very stressful phase of my life this year. I miss my solo nature trips, and if only I have enough resources to do this more often, I would. So I hope you did not skip the ads, as it's one of my resources for my nature trips. Also, please don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up and share it to your friends and subscribe to this channel. Again, this is JC, your Big Ear Digital Tour Guide.
Are there. So their seat are there. And then the food. All right here.